Dental fillings are an everyday dental procedure to treat tooth decay and improve the function of the teeth. The cost for dental fillings can be a bit different according to where you live. In this clip, we'll look at the cost of dental fillings within Europe against Turkey. Cost of dental fillings in Europe. In Europe, costs for dental fillings can be very different according to the location the patient is located in. The average cost of filling a tooth within Europe is ranging between €50 up to €200 every tooth. The countries that are include France, the UK, France, and Germany, where the price of dental fillings may be on high portion of the range because of the higher price of living as well as the high cost of work. In places like Spain, Italy, and Greece, in which the costs for dental fillings might be a bit cheaper than those in other European nations. The cost could nevertheless be very high when as compared to the rest around the globe. Cost of dental fillings in Turkey. In contrast, Turkey has become a sought-after location for dental tourism thanks to its low prices and top-quality dental treatment. In Turkey, there is a cost for a dental filling could be just €20 up to €60 each tooth, contingent upon the type of filling as well as the expertise of the dentist. There are many people in Europe and around the world visit Turkey for fillings in the mouth and various other procedures at the dentist to cut costs while receiving the best dental care. Lower costs for dental fillings and other procedures in Turkey is due to the less expensive prices of living and work that is available in the country. This makes it an affordable choice to those who wish to get dental procedures done with minimal expense. Comparison. In comparing the costs on dental fillings across Europe in comparison to Turkey, it's clear that Turkey provides a lower-cost solution for people who are seeking dental services. The cost for tooth fillings in Europe is often quite costly, and especially in areas with the highest costs of living. Turkey is a more affordable alternative that doesn't compromise on high quality. People who can't get dental services in their countries of origin or want for ways to reduce the cost of dental procedures opt to travel to Turkey for fillings in the mouth and other treatment options. Lower costs for dental fillings in Turkey permits patients to receive their treatment without putting off the cost that comes to dental treatment within Europe. Costs for dental fillings in Europe as compared to Turkey indicates the fact that Turkey provides a lower-cost solution for people who are seeking dental services. At a reasonable price and with top-quality dental care, Turkey has become a sought-after location for dental tourism, drawing patients from all over the globe. If you're in the demand of dental crowns or other dental procedures and you would like to find the most affordable solution, take a trip to Turkey for the best care without the cost of high-priced procedures that come to dental treatment within Europe. Your mouth and wallet will appreciate it.